Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
Let's say ìgbín, ilé, ìyẹ́, yes. Look at this one. Ìgbín, snail. Ilé, house. Ìyẹ́, feather. Now look at it. Snail, ìgbín, 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 dòmí, ìgbín, dòmí, ìgbín, dòmí, ìgbín, ìgbín. Now I just say ìgbín. You can see now. It's not no meaning. Ìgbín, dòmí, dòmí. You now put do. This is do. This is me. Do, me. You can see. Ilé, ilé, house. Ilé, house. Ilé, remi. I'm not going to put anything here. Ilé, in, remi. Remi, Remi. This was ìyẹ́, feather. Ìyẹ́, dòmí, dòmí. You know this one is consonants. I didn't put any sign. B. You know that B, A B D A F E G B. A B D A F E G B. This is the B. And this one is the vowel. Vowel. This one is vowel. E. The one I wrote the other time. So this is it. E. And this one is ilé, remi, ilé, remi, ilé. Feather. Ìyẹ́, dòmí, ìyẹ́, dòmí, ìyẹ́, dòmí. Now, ejò. You know what we call ejò? What do we call ejò? Snake. Snake in Yoruba. Ejò. 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 Olùkọ́. A teacher. Ìwé. You want to put sign on it. Ìwé. Agolo. 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 Ọ̀kùn. Ẹ̀wù. Owó. Now let's put sign on this one. Ejò. A. You can see that there's no sign here. A, E, I, O, U. Jo. Jo. Ejò. Ejò. Snake. Ejò. Snake. Ejò. Redo. You can see. Redo. Redo. We are not going to put sign here. Redo. 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 Ejo. Redo. Ejo. Redo. Ejo. Now, this one is olùkọ́. You can see that this one is 3 now. So we are still going for 3 letters, which is 3 syllables. Olùkọ́. Olùkọ́. I will not put sign on this one now. Let me finish with this one. Ìwé. ìwé, book, ìwé, 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 dòmí, dòmí, ìwé, ìwé, dòmí, ìwé, dòmí. Now, like this one now, I'm still going back to this one. These 3 syllables. Ọ̀kùn, ọ̀kùn, mílípì, ọ̀kùn, dòdò, dòdò, ọ̀kùn, dòdò, kọ̀kùn, dòdò, ọ̀kùn, ọ̀. You can see ọ, a, e, I, o, ọ, u. A, e, I, o, ọ, u. Ọ̀kùn, ọ̀kùn, ẹ̀wù. We are going to put sign. A, e, I, o, ọ, u. This is the we are talking about. Ẹ̀wù, 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 dòdò, 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 ẹ̀wù, dòdò, ẹ̀wù, dòdò, ẹ̀wù, ẹ̀wù, dòdò. Now this one is owó, money, owó, money, owó, money, owó, 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 money, owó, money, owó, remi. You can see now, remi, owó, remi. These are still 2-letter words. Now go back to that 3-letter words I'm talking about. Olùkọ́. I will still split it out. Olùkọ́. I said that when we are talking about syllable, it's what can come out from your mouth once. That is, syllable ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀. What you pronounce once. And this one is 3 now. Olùkọ́. Olùkọ́. Rédòmí. Olùkọ́. Olùkọ́. Rédòmí. Olùkọ́. Now let's put the sign. Olùkọ́. Re is not going to carry any marks. Sign. Olù. Rédòmí. Rédòmí. Olùkọ́. Rédòmí. Olùkọ́. This one is agolotin. 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 Baking, canteen, anything, whatever thing. Agolotin. Agolotin. Re. Agolo. Re. Agolo. Re. Agolo. Re. Agolo. You can see now, we are not going to put anything. Agolo. So based now on 3-letter words, we can continue with that one now.